So as we were discussing about the NPV technique, another example that we try to take up. You can see that we are having two mutually exclusive projects, X and Y, and both the projects, they are having the initial capital that will be 120 lakhs. The life of X project is 8 years and the life of Y project has been given as 6 years. Right? We have to give the decision on the basis of NPV that among the two, X or Y, which has to be accepted. NPV technique. Tax rate has been given as 50% and depreciation is based on SLM. This is the information that has been provided to us. And what we can say as cost of capital, suppose it is given as 15%. That 15% is the cost of capital in this project. Now on the basis of NPV, we have to evaluate that this project has to be accepted. Now we see. Here we have 8 years. We copy the X figure. I am taking up the first, that is X project. It is given as 25, then 35, then 45, 65, again 65. In 6th year we have 55, in 7th year we have 35, and 8th year we have 15. These are the cash flows. ठीक? डेप्रिसिएशन दिया है, इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि ये हमारे अकाउंटिंग प्रॉफिट है, इसमें डेप्रिसिएशन एडजस्टेड नहीं है, तो हमको डेप्रिसिएशन एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा पहली बात तो, और टैक्स रेट भी दिया है। तो दूसरा कॉलम जो हमारा थर्ड कॉलम बन जाएगा, दैट विल बी डेप्रिसिएशन, और डेप्रिसिएशन दिया गया स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड से 1,20,000, लाइफ इज 8 years, 120 divided by 8 gives you 15. 15. So we can say 15 is the amount of depreciation on the basis of straight line that we are supposed to charge on yearly basis. Right? Now, profit before tax. 25 minus 15, 10. 35 is 20, 45 is 30, 65 minus 15 is 50, again 50, 55 minus 15, 40, 35 minus this, it will be 20, and 50 minus 15 is nil, 0. Tax. Tax is 50%. Tax is 50%. That means 5, 10, 15, 25, again 25, 20, 10, and there is no PBT. There will be, right? See? Now, profit after tax. Profit after tax. That means 10 minus 5 is 5. Again 10, 15, 25, 25, 20, 10, and right. So this is your accounting profit that we have received. अब accounting profit में हम लोग नॉन कैश एक्सपेंडिचर जो कि इस प्रॉब्लम में डेप्रिसिएशन है उसको ऐड बैक करें। मतलब कि कैश फ्लो प्लस डेप्रिसिएशन, या फिर कहें कैश फ्लो की जगह बेटर वर्ड होगा हम लगाते हैं इसमें टैक्स, प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स। प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स जो प्रॉफिट आया है इसमें हम डेप्रिसिएशन को ऐड बैक करें। तो 5 plus 15 that makes 20, 10 plus 15 that 25 and 15 again 40. Then sixth year it is 20 and 15 35. Then seventh year 10 and 15 25. And eighth year 0 and 15 it will be 15. Right? Discounting rate is given to you. Discounting rate is provided, that is the value is 15%, and this is the discounting value which we say as present value. The present value of ₹1 if discounted at 15%. In first year, second year, third year, this will be the value of ₹1. We just multiply to get the present value. We just multiply to get the present value. And if I am not wrong, I have the figure. It is 17.40, 18.90, 19.74, 22.88. After time खत्म ना हो इसलिए हम I have calculated correctly. 19.88. Then we can say 15.12, 9.40, and lastly is 4.91. These are the present values. And when you sum up the total of the present value, it is coming to us 128.23. We can say as total of the present value minus initial investment, that is 1,20,000, or we can say 120 lakhs. So minus 120, it will give you 8.23 lakhs. That is your net present value. Right? So from X project, we are having NPV as 8.23. Now we will calculate for Y project and then try to see that what will be the value of NPV. So in X project, we are able to have the NPV as 9.05. So there was a slight mistake in the third year. It is not 19, it is 20.55, and this can be the figure. Now we have calculated for the project Y. One thing that you have to keep in mind, Y has 6 years. Initial investment is same, that is 1,20,000 only. So these are the cash flows. Depreciation remain the same. Profit before tax, profit after tax, PAT plus non-cash expenditure. 15% is the discount rate, and present value we are receiving, and you can see that total of the present value is 122.14 lakh. Initial investment is 120 lakh. NPV for Y project is 2.14 lakh, and whereas for X project just now we have calculated was 9.04. So as the two projects are mutually exclusive, rank 1, the higher NPV project will be accepted. That means X will be accepted against Y project because it is having high NPV as compared to, right? In this way, we have completed the net present value. In the next lecture, we will take up the next technique of capital budgeting under discounting technique. Thank you all.